so cold.
Luckily, I don't have that problem. I'm very lonely. Ever since I turned 13,
That's your phone, don't look at me.
making my own rules.
What's wrong?
9/365. I wear what I want, say what I want, and I will not hesitate to do a spontaneous cartwheel if I feel so moved.
Oh, okay.
Not to brag, but being 13 means I'm officially a grown-up. At least according to the Toronto Cancer Commission.
This is now a 3D. Oh.
Oh, no, household, right?
Just sounds.
I know, it's a lot. This is grade 8. I don't got time to mess around. I guess you can call me
Very enterprising.
overachieving dork. I accept and embrace all labels. Anyway, who cares what stupid evil Tyler or anyone else thinks? This is gonna be my year. I'm gonna stop this train from
Oh, well. Faster. Right.
Tickets to Floor Town are like $1 billion. That's right here.
I gotta go. We're going karaoke today. Yeah.
Come with us.
It's cleaning day. Every day is cleaning day. Can't you just get one after I like cleaning.
Oh,
Plus, I got this new feather tester.
Sorry.
Oh my gosh, you guys, it picks up so much dirt. It's been
What's that? Sorry. Let's turn into them. He's weird, huh? He's weird, huh? What is this boy doing? Yeah, let's see.
How old are y'all? This watch it? This is my little brother watch. I'm gonna get my daughter out of bed. I'm not watching this shit, bro. I'm not watching this. I'm not watching this shit, bro. I don't know what I'm gonna watch this shit, bro. I'm not watching this, bro. I'm sorry. I'm not watching it, bro. I'm not watching it. Like this Peppa Pig ass show. God damn. Watch it, please. Howard. Claro, você foi de mim, não, e bem, você foi de mim. Well, claro, you showed him, see it. Y'all got me watching the 80s, so bro, one screen. I'm sorry, I can't. No, this I just can't, bro. I can't just sit here. I don't know, bro. I can't just sit here and watch it, bro. I can't. Yeah, want me to like, bro? My chat is like generally want me to watch it. Like, my chat generally wants me to watch this. Bro, I'm going on, bro. I'm on the stream, bro. I got me really watch it, bro. How old are you? I'm 19 watching the channel show, bro, on stream. Oh my gosh! Google Gaga! Oh, sweet. I'm 19 years old. I'm a grown ass man watching. I'm a grown ass man. I'm not a bro. I know some of the chat might be like 6, 3 years old. I'm a grown ass man. I'm not watching it. A grown ass man. A grown ass man. I have hair on my balls. I have hair on my balls. I got hair on my hands. I got hair on my face. I got hair on my stomach. ass man with some pair of balls. I'm watching them. Wait! Wait, was that all? So what was that? Wait. Oh, that's a... Oh, I thought that was a heart. I thought that was his heart. It's a piece of gum. Oh, shit, I was like, what the hell? Oh, what's that? It's a piece of gum. What the fuck? What is this? This Teen Titans? What is this? It's not a TV show. What a great children's show. I'm sure. I hope there's no violence. No, man. I always avoided this as a child. Now I'm an adult finally watching this and this. No, man. Why did he make this?
Who are you?
Who are you?
I'm the owner of this house.
Oh, yes, my granddaughter. I didn't know that this house. You got no power on no.
Did you do this? This is their way.
What the hell she do there? I'm not going to get my nails.
That's it. I'm calling the police. I ain't scared no phone. I'm calling the police. I call the police. They're gonna be here in 10 minutes.
Okay, and then leave me lying to be back.
You think? I know Taekwondo.
And I don't want your... You don't know that from the project. Now, come on with me. So far, come on. Shut up. Shut up. Oh, no.
Yeah, you keep running.
What? Oh, please do it. Please get it. Please, I want to see you do it. Yeah. What's your name now?
Oh my God, don't hurt him.
Well, I'm not going to hurt him. I'm going to kill him. Put this hand on my granddaughter.
Call the police.
Yeah, you call the police so they can see how you hit him. Don't just get out. I say half of everything in here belongs to me. Which hand do you want? You want this hand? You want this hand? Hold on. This looks so photorealistic. I want to play something. Wait. Is it family friendly? As long as it's family friendly. Yeah, let's play some darts. Oh my God, you're bouncy. What's your name? Yeah, I'll play with you. You make sure you learn first, though. Beat May 3 times to unlock the next stage. Okay, your name is May. But see, I haven't even introduced myself, and I'm already in your apartment. Isn't that a little awkward? Like, shouldn't we start with introductions first? Hola, señorita. Mi nombre es Eduardo. Quisiera enamorarme. I was in the middle of introducing myself, and you're gonna tell me to hurry up? You're a very superficial girl. I can tell this may not last long, man. I'm about to throw... You know what? I'm gonna throw it at you if you don't stop telling me to hurry up. That was almost a bullseye. Oh, you're gonna lose. Watch this. Check this one out. It's gonna be a red. Oh, God, I hit my headset. Are you not? Don't look at me like that. Wait. Tell me. I swear to God. sorry, Mary. That's fun. Oh, this is gonna hurt more than stepping on Legos. You guys, tell me. Yeah, she's gonna beat my score. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Oh, go ahead. Go ahead. Yeah, I want to see you try. Oh, yeah, you're gonna win. No, not with that. I missed 3 shots. And you're still gonna lose, Mary. Go for that bullseye. You're good. This is your last shot, Mary. This is your last shot.